Hey friends, this is the Ryobi One Plus single-handed reciprocating saw. This is an incredibly powerful tool. We love it. And today we're going to be showing you how to change blades or install a blade for the very first time. It's actually a super simple process. Let's get into it. Okay, when you're installing the blade, you do need to take some safety precautions. Basically, what I do is I uninstall the battery. That way there's no power malfunction or an accidental pushing of the trigger, so where the saw would cut you as you're trying to install it. Again, there you can use the safety mechanism. I'm gonna push the button on the back here and you can see it's in the lock position now. That will also prevent you from accidentally hitting that trigger. Okay, now to install the saw blade, basically we're going to have it in this position with the teeth down. Again, I'm give you a longer version here. The teeth are going to be in the down position. Again, we have the hole that we're going to be sliding this into just like this. Now, once this slides in, if this is not in the upward position like this, all the way up, then you won't be able to put the blade in. But with this up, we can now get into the front and I can just slide it straight in like that until, as you can see, the edge is pushing up against that little holder coupler area. And then I'm just going to release this. And now if I pull on this blade, that is in there. So again, that is all that's needed in order to get that blade in. Once you're ready to change the blade out, maybe to a metal one or just get a new one, all you need to do is lift up this little lever. You can see that just loosens up the blade there. It'll pop right out. All right, that's it, friends. I hope that's helped. Again, super short, quick little video. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button for us. Let us know we're making good, helpful videos. Stay tuned because we're actually making a bunch more of these Ryobi tool videos. We're doing reviews. We're kind of showing you how they work. Those will be coming out really soon, so subscribe and we'll see you again on the next one.